Landscape wall wash lighting is an artful and functional way to enhance the beauty of outdoor spaces. It not only highlights the architectural features of your home or building, but also creates a warm and inviting ambience. Whether you want to showcase a stunning stone wall, illuminate a charming garden, or add a bit of excitement to your outdoor spaces, landscape wall wash lighting can help you achieve your desired look. This video explores everything you need to know about landscape wall wash lighting, from its definition to real-life design inspirations. We'll delve into the importance, advantages, disadvantages, best practices, and provide a gallery of real-life designs. By the end of this presentation, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about landscape wall wash lighting for your outdoor settings. Landscape wall wash lighting is the art of casting a broad, even wash of light onto vertical surfaces in outdoor settings. It's a versatile lighting technique that highlights the texture, color, and architectural details of walls, fences, hedges, and other vertical elements. Instead of directing light onto specific objects, wall wash lighting creates a soft, uniform illumination, enhancing the aesthetics and functionality of outdoor spaces. Landscape wall wash lighting entails positioning lamps away from a wall to cast a broad and even wash of light. This method creates a visually appealing, soft glow that gently touches the wall surface, highlighting textures and architectural features. One of the primary reasons to embrace landscape wall wash lighting is its ability to elevate the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor areas. By lighting walls and vertical surfaces, you can transform a plain facade into an engaging focal point. The play of light and shadow can create a visually stunning effect that enhances the overall beauty of your property. Outdoor wall wash lighting contributes significantly to safety and security. Adequate outdoor lighting helps reduce tripping hazards, making pathways and steps more visible at night. Moreover, well-lit exteriors deter potential intruders, enhancing the security of your home or commercial property. Imagine the warm and inviting ambience of a well-lit garden or patio. Landscape wall wash lighting allows you to craft the perfect atmosphere for outdoor gatherings, dining, or relaxation. The soft, diffuse light sets the mood, making your outside space more enjoyable during the evenings. Energy-efficient LED technology is frequently used in modern landscape wall wash lighting installations. LED lights use less energy than traditional lighting, resulting in cheaper energy expenses. Furthermore, their longer lifespan minimizes the need for frequent replacements, which contributes to significant energy savings. Let's take a closer look at the advantages and disadvantages of landscape wall wash lighting to help you make an informed decision. The even wash of light created by wall wash lighting can transform the appearance of vertical surfaces. It adds depth and dimension, making architectural features and textured walls stand out. Outdoor wall wash lighting creates a cozy and welcoming ambience, perfect for outside gatherings and relaxation. Adequate illumination reduces the risk of accidents and enhances security, making your property safer for occupants and visitors. Landscape wall wash lighting is incredibly versatile. It can be used in various outdoor settings, including residential gardens, commercial properties, and public spaces, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Modern wall wash lighting fixtures often use LED technology, which is energy efficient. As a result, you can enjoy the visual benefits of wall wash lighting without seeing an increase in your utility expenditures. Achieving the desired lighting effect with wall wash lighting requires careful planning and precise installation. This complexity may necessitate professional installation. High-quality fixtures and professional installation can be expensive. However, the long-term energy savings and enhanced property value often justify the initial investment. Also, fixtures require periodic cleaning and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. To make the most of your landscape wall wash lighting, follow these best practices. Before you start the installation procedure, take the time to plan your lighting design meticulously. Consider your objectives, the architectural features you want to highlight, desired lighting levels, and color temperature preferences. Opt for LED fixtures due to their energy efficiency and longevity. Select fixture styles that complement your outdoor decor and architectural style, whether it's LED strip, in-ground, modern sconces, or recessed lights. Learn about other lighting techniques, including front, flood, cross, and grazing lighting, to achieve the desired effects on your vertical surfaces. Experiment with these techniques to create stunning visuals. Position your fixtures strategically, focusing on symmetry, focal points, and pathways. Evenly distributed lights create a cohesive lighting display while emphasizing specific areas that can draw attention to architectural details. To inspire your landscape wall wash lighting project, let's explore some real-life designs that showcase the versatility and creativity of this lighting technique. Imagine a contemporary home with a plain white exterior. By using landscape wall wash lighting, you can transform this simplicity into a striking masterpiece. LED fixtures set at different angles can wash the walls, highlighting architectural details and creating a play of light and shadow. Your garden can be a canvas for creativity with wall wash lighting. Highlight the beauty of your trees, shrubs, and flower beds by strategically placing fixtures along garden borders. This creates a magical atmosphere that comes alive at night, accentuating the natural beauty of your landscaping. A well-lit entryway sets the tone for your entire property. Picture a grand entrance with stone pillars. Wall wash lighting can emphasize these pillars, giving your home a welcoming and majestic appearance. This approach not only enhances aesthetics but also adds an element of safety. Outdoor entertainment areas benefit significantly from wall wash lighting. A patio or deck can become an inviting space for gatherings. Use fixtures to create a warm and welcoming ambience, making your outdoor parties memorable. Landscape wall wash lighting is more than just lighting your outdoor spaces. It's about creating an experience. With its ability to enhance aesthetics, improve safety and security, set the right mood, and conserve energy, it's a lighting approach that every homeowner should consider. Outdoor wall wash lighting is a versatile and visually striking way to enhance the aesthetics, safety, and functionality of your outside spaces. You can turn your property into a fascinating retreat with careful planning, proper fittings, and best practices. Whether you want to highlight architectural features, illuminate gardens, or create artistic displays, landscape wall wash lighting offers countless possibilities. Take inspiration from real-life designs and let your creativity shine as you embark on your own outdoor lighting journey. With the enticing charm of landscape wall wash lighting, you can elevate your outdoor settings to new heights.